To use a coupon on Bybit, follow these steps. Log into your Bybit account. Open the Bybit app or go to the Bybit website and log in using your username and password. Navigate to the Rewards Hub. Once logged in, go to the Rewards Hub section. This is where you can find various promotions, bonuses and coupon codes. You can find this option in the account menu or directly on the homepage under Promotions. Find a coupon code. If you have a coupon code, it may be found in the Rewards Hub, a promotional email or a third-party offer. Ensure the code is valid for the promotion you wish to claim. Enter the coupon code. When you're ready to make a deposit, trade, or participate in a promotion, enter the coupon code in the appropriate field. For example, during a deposit or trading event, you will see an option to enter a coupon code at checkout or in the deposit section. Apply the coupon. After entering the code, click Apply. The coupon should automatically reflect in the final amount or bonus you're receiving. Complete the action. Complete the action as required. Your coupon benefits will be applied.